Unit 3, Hardware Components and Software Concepts. Computing in the Modern World. Hardware Concepts, GPS Standard. BCSCMW4, students will describe the major hardware and software components of a computer and their interactions. What is a computer? Electronic device that accepts, processes, produces results, and stores data. Data. Collection of unprocessed items. Text, numbers, images, audio, and video. Information. Conveys meaning and is useful. X. Data is input to create a grade report. Information processing cycle. Input. Process. Output. Storage. Components of a computer. Hardware. Electric, electronic, and mechanical components. Input devices. Output devices. System unit. Storage devices. Communications devices. Input devices. Any hardware component that allows you to enter data and instructions into a computer. Keyboard. Mouse. Microphone. Scanner. Digital camera. Webcam. Output devices. Any hardware component that conveys information to one or more people. Printer. Monitor. Speakers. Portable media player. System unit. A case that contains electronic components of the computer used to process data. Motherboard, sometimes called system board. Main circuit board of the system unit. Many electronic components are attached to the motherboard. Expansion slots. Processor chips. Memory slots, processor or CPU. Interprets and carries out the basic instructions that operate a computer. Processor control unit, types of components it directs. Component of processor that directs and coordinates operations. Like a traffic cop, it interprets each instruction issued by a program and then initiates the appropriate action to carry out the instruction. Types of components it directs. Arithmetic/logic unit. Registers and buses. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Performs arithmetic operations and comparisons. Basic calculations. Add, subtract, multiply, division. Comparing one data item to another. Greater than. Equal to. Less than, machine cycle. For every instruction, a processor repeats 4 basic operations, machine cycle. 1. Fetching, 2. Decoding, 3. Executing, and 4. Storing. System clock controls the timing of all operations. Clock speed. Pace of clock. Gigahertz, GHz, 1 billion ticks of the system clock per second. Faster clock speed equals more instructions the processor can execute per second. Comparison of processors. Leading chip manufacturers. Intel. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. IBM. Motorola. Today's high-performance PCs, Intel Core. Less expensive PCs, Pentium or Celeron. Processors. Multi-core processor increases overall performance. Single chip with 2 or more processors. Dual core, 2 separate processors. Quad core, 4 separate processors. Increases overall performance. Especially noticeable when running multiple programs. Email, antivirus software, spyware remover, media player, CD burning software, and photo editing software. Memory. Store instructions, data needed by those instructions, and the results of processed data. 1 or more chips on motherboard. Stores 3 basic categories. Operating system. Application programs. Data being processed by application programs. Byte character, basic storage unit of memory. Each byte has an address. Unique number that identifies the location of the byte in memory. Memory sizes. RAM random access memory examples. Main memory. Volatile, loses its contents when power is removed. Examples. Operating system interface. Browser windows. Paint program. More RAM equals faster response from computer. Software applications usually have a minimum requirement for RAM for the application to run properly. X. Vista, Microsoft Office. Cache pronounced cache temporary storage for faster viewing. X. Web pages, images, media. ROM read-only memory permanent storage. Non-volatile, not lost when power is removed. Cannot be modified. X. ROM chips and printers contain data for fonts. X. When your system boots up, flash memory non-volatile fast examples. Downloading music on iTunes to your iPod. Storing phone numbers on your phone. Pagers. Digital cameras. Expansion slots/adapter cards. Motherboard. To enhance functions or provide connections to devices. Ports. Port, a point in which peripheral attaches to or communicates with a system unit. Connectors, joins a cable to a port. Connectors,